I cannot wait more than like 2 days for a package. I know it's a problem. I've been ordering like crazy. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a video all about cute mid-century modern Amazon finds for your bedroom. If you guys can kind of see by my background, I'm super into the mid-century modern slash boho design movement when it comes to interior design, and I've had so much fun decorating my apartment the last few months since I moved in February. I thought I would show you everything that I've been ordering online because I've been ordering like crazy. A lot of the stuff that I bought for my bedroom is super affordable and you can get on Amazon Prime, which I love because I'm impatient. I cannot wait more than like 2 days for a package. I know it's a problem. So I'm going to be sharing everything that I purchased for my bedroom so far that is from Amazon. It's affordable, it's cute, it is everything you need in your life, especially if you have similar design tastes. So let's just get into the video. So the very first thing that I want to talk about are prints. Amazon is an amazing place to get really cute, trendy prints for your bedroom. And I was actually looking for a set of 3 to go on the little hallway that I have in my room. You guys will really see this when I end up doing an apartment tour, but I needed a set of 3 prints, and so I went onto Amazon and I literally typed in like boho set of prints. I bought this one and I am obsessed with it. I love the colors. I love just like warm, cozy colors like this. And these frames are actually from Amazon as well. I thought they were really, really cool. They're basically magnetized onto the print, just like that. And you're not gonna mess up the print at all. And then you can just like hang it on the wall, which I thought was a really cool and unique way to hang a print. And this type of frame actually was a lot more affordable than a traditional frame. I think I got all of these 3 for about $10, maybe less, and the prints I believe were around $13 to $15. So for 3 prints, that's amazing because I feel like when you go into the stores nowadays, they really mark up prints and they can go anywhere from $30 to $100 depending on where you get them, which is a little ridiculous. But if you're on a budget or you're furnishing your very first adult apartment, this is the way to go. So if you're living in an apartment or a smaller space, using your wall space is the key to getting maximum storage and maximum decor. So last year I ended up purchasing these floating shelves from Amazon and I am obsessed with them. They are metal shelves, so they're really, really durable and sturdy and they can hold a lot of weight. They were also so easy to hang up. They come in a set of 2 and I just love them. I love that they look floating. They go with that whole mid-century modern, minimalistic type look, and they're just white metal. So really, if I was to decorate my room in a different fashion, it would still match a lot of different styles. So whether you like mid-century modern like I do, or you're more boho, or you're a little bit more classic, these can definitely be styled to fit your personal interior design style. So next, let's talk about this big tapestry behind me right here. This has been in the background of a ton of my videos. I've had it for a few years actually, and they still sell it on Amazon. It is a tarot card tapestry. I love this thing. My brother loved it so much, he actually ended up buying the exact same one for his apartment in college. And I just think it really adds something to the wall, especially if, again, you're living in an apartment or a dorm or something like that, where you really don't have the freedom to be painting or, you know, putting up wallpaper. It adds a really nice accent and covers up a really large space. So it's a super easy way to personalize your space, whether it's your bedroom, your living room, your dining room. You can even hang them on balconies. I love a good tapestry, and this one was under $20. Fake plants are so in right now, and they're especially great if you're someone like me who literally cannot keep a plant alive to save their life. So I got my fake fiddly fig from Amazon for under $100, and I also got the plant stand from Amazon, which I feel like adds a really nice touch. It makes it look a lot more real when you have it in a pot in a stand rather than just on the floor. And I also just feel like it elevates your space, it adds some nice greenery, and it just makes your room feel alive even though it's not real. Having greenery and plant life, even if it's fake, for me, just really jazzes up a room, and I love the way that it looks. And if you don't have a green thumb like me, it is the best way to go. The next thing you guys totally need in your bedroom is a nice jewelry organizer. This has really changed the game for me when it comes to getting ready in the morning, because I love being able to see all of my necklaces and earrings and most worn sunglasses out when I'm getting ready and running out the door for work. So it's just been really, really nice. And mine is gold and I love it. It's simple, it's clean, and it's a really easy way to store your jewelry without having it all stuffed in a jewelry box. So I really like this jewelry organizer. I think it's great. I've been using it for years. Amazon has tons and tons of options. If I can find the exact one, I will find it, but I've had it for a while, so I will link a few of my favorites down below for you guys. Like I said, utilizing wall space in a small bedroom or apartment is so important. So I really needed some hooks for my bedroom. I wanted stuff to hang jackets on or my purses as I came in through the door. And I found these really cool geometric wooden hooks on Amazon for a great price. They also really fit that mid-century modern look, kind of that boho-ish look, and I love the color of the wood. They're a more walnut color, which I feel like looks a lot more expensive, and I love them. It came in a pack of 5 and they fit so well on my wall. They also are really sturdy. They came with wall anchors and I did put those in when I hung them up, and I never ever have to worry about them coming down because they are solid and in the wall. One of my next favorite Amazon finds for my bedroom are actually my curtains. This is the first bedroom that I have had where I actually put up nice curtains, and it seriously makes a huge difference in your space. It makes it so cozy and so inviting, and the curtains that I got are a light color, but they just add something. It really elevates the room when you have a long curtain hanging from ceiling to floor, and if you have shorter ceilings, it just really elongates the space. So I love these curtains. They were a little bit pricier, but they're great quality, and they're blackout curtains. So if I want to sleep in on the weekend and not have to worry about anything, I can just close the shades and I'll sleep like a log. So I love these curtains. They come in a ton of different colors. I think like over 15 different colors. And I got the beigey sand color. I'll link the exact ones that I have down below. And then my last Amazon find I want to share with you guys is actually my dresser. So I have never owned a dresser probably since I was like, I don't know, 15, 16 years old living with my parents. I just ended up fitting everything in my closet over the years in college and through all of my different apartments. But in this apartment, it was vital for me to get a dresser because I have a little bit smaller closet than I did in my last place. And I also just feel like it really completed my room. So I got this dresser from Amazon, like I said. I think it was around $300 to $350, which in terms of dressers is pretty affordable, especially for one that is solid wood. I'm very happy with it. I will have to say it was pretty hard to put together. I think a little bit harder than IKEA furniture that I've put together in the past. This dresser is a game changer. I love the style of the dark walnut wood with the white drawers. I think it's super clean and elegant, and I just love it. Again, it's just so cozy. I love that dark walnut type wood. It really warms up your space. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Amazon finds video. This is actually the first in a series that I am going to be starting. I am an Amazon fiend and I order clothes, jewelry, makeup, home decor, kitchen stuff, literally anything you name it, I've ordered it. I found so many cool gadgets and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So once a month for the time being, I'm going to be uploading another Amazon finds video. If there is anything you want to see specifically, please comment that down below so that I know what you guys want to see. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every single Wednesday. And again, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you at my next video. Bye.